Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I have the Fanttik Slim V8 Mate, which is a cordless car vacuum, and this might be the solution for you actually cleaning those messy areas within your car. So today let's explore the features of why I got this vacuum, and I'm going to be letting you know my thoughts and opinions on it. So first off, this vacuum is pretty compact and lightweight, weighing at only about 1.2 pounds. This mini vacuum is portable, it's handheld, it's slim, and as you can see, it really doesn't take up a lot of room, and so it makes it the perfect for quick cleanups. In addition, it's got a powerful suction grade of about 12,000. Of course it does make sound, but it has a normal suction power, and then it also has a high suction power. So with that high suction power, that's going to be used to clean those stubborn dirt and debris. In addition, it's got a variety of different versatile attachments that you see here, including this flexi hose, which is used to get those hard to reach places. You've got this straight hose, which is also used to reach those hard to reach places. You've got this bristled nozzle. This one's going to be used to get that stubborn pet hair off your carpet or furniture. Now this vacuum is rechargeable via USB-C, which they provide, and so you simply just plug it into this inlet over here. And this takes about 2 hours to fully recharge. On the normal suction mode, where you press this button here, it lasts about 30 minutes, and on the high suction power mode, it lasts about 12 to 15 minutes. But let's be real, we all don't plan on vacuuming for more than 15 minutes, right? We just want to clean up our mess and actually move on to things that we do want to do, right? So the vacuum itself is super easy to maintain. You simply just flip this latch open and press this button, and this is how you empty out the cartridge. And then you close it up and then latch it back on again, and that is super easy as far as maintenance goes. So this is a great gift option, and it's got a super nice sleek design. I'd say with all these components that you see over here, this carrying pouch is absolutely essential to kind of house everything all together, just so you don't lose anything. And so with this vacuum, you can use it for pet hair, clean the car interiors, and basically use it for any quick cleanups like around the kitchen. I recently used this to clean like the interiors of my couch. I've used this to clean the interiors of my car, especially the trunk, and it really does a good job at cleaning. And so that's pretty much it in regards to the Fanttik Slim V8 Mate. This is a powerful suction wireless vacuum which has a variety of different attachments that you see back there, and it's basically an excellent choice for keeping your car and home clean. And so if you found this review helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more product reviews like this.